everybody, it's Claire from Magic Carpet Honiton here, and today I'm going to be helping you to make a cardboard box puppet theatre. So yeah, get comfy, get a cup of tea or something, and let's go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to make your cardboard box puppet theatre is obviously a cardboard box. Okay, you can see that I've got my box here. The problem with my box is that it's got lots of printed stuff all over the outside, which isn't really going to, help the look of my theatre. So what I'm going to have to do is turn the box inside out. So if you've got a box that's got a design on, then you can do this too. Okay, so there we have it, our lovely brown cardboard box. Okay, so now what we've got to do is we're going to make a hole in the front. Okay, so on the front of my box, on one of the big sides, I've marked a line up the middle for cutting and across the top here also for cutting. Okay, and then I've got some dotted lines here, some broken lines. And then we're not gonna cut these. We're just gonna bend them, okay? Okay, so now we're going to start tidying up the inside of our puppet theatre a bit. So what we've got here basically at the sides is these are a bit flappy, so I want to stick them back down so that they don't flap about basically. So can you see there, I'm just sticking them to the back of the side of the inside of the box, okay? Okay, so now you can see that I've stuck both sides back down, and it's looking a little bit more like a puppet theatre. The next thing to do is to make a hole in the top here so that you've got somewhere to do your puppetry. So just mark out a square on the lid. Don't go too close to the edges or it will weaken the box too much and it will start falling apart, which we don't want. Okay, so maybe something like that. And then cut the hole out. As you can see, I still have the pesky design of the box on the inside now, so I have to cover that up, okay? You won't have to do this if you've got a plain box, a plain cardboard box. You can just leave it plain, or you can do what I'm going to do, which is cover it with some card on the inside, black or white or whatever colour you want really. So that's fine, it's up to you. Okay, now we're going to tidy up and decorate the front of our theatre. I've decided that I don't like these edges here very much, they're a bit scruffy. So I'm going to make 2 pillars and stick them on there, okay? To make the pillars I'm going to measure against the theatre, the edge of the theatre, how high my pillars need to be. Mark it with a pen. So about there for that one. And then this one, the second one for the other side, will be the same height. But I'll just do that anyway, just to show you again. Okay, so there you have it. That's your basic puppet theatre design. It's actually, because you've stuck extra bits of card to it, it's actually pretty sturdy. It's a lot sturdier than it was when it was just a cardboard box. But it does look a bit cardboardy. So now just, you know, it's really over to you to just freestyle the design. And yeah, you can have a look at me doing that very fast. Not in real life. Okay, so I finished making the puppet theatre itself now, and I've used a little bit of gold paper to decorate around the place. You could use any kind of decorative papers you like, or fabrics if you like as well. So the only thing that I've got to do now is make some puppets for it, and that's really easy. I'm just going to make 2 puppets. One of them's going to be Little Red Riding Hood, the other one's going to be the Big Bad Wolf, and then just a couple of sticks, pieces of wire, or just even card strips cut out if you like, if you haven't got these little barbecue sticks at home. So yeah, so we're going to draw our Little Red Riding Hood character. I'm going to draw him. here they are. Okay, and so you can just use them really simply in this way. And tell your own stories. I've just used these as a quite silly really example, but it's a story everyone knows. So yeah, you can make up your own stories, use old stories that you already know, and just have fun and be creative and entertain your friends and family. Okay, have fun everybody and take care. Bye.